Good evening guys, Mrs. TG here, and tonight I'm going to be unboxing my Spigen, or Spigen as I say, Neo Hybrid case. So let's pop it out of the box and have a proper look at it. This is quite a bit more protection, I think, this one. It's a bit more jazzy on the inside and everything. So yeah, it's gold and burgundy. Let's pop it on the phone and see what it feels like. Right, so that's all on then. That's quite a smart looking colour, isn't it? With the gold on it, makes it look a little bit more posher. Let's feel the buttons. Yep, buttons are okay to me. Got a nice lip there for when it's on his front. Nice and stable. Let's put it on his back. Perfectly stable and flat on that one. And the cameras obviously do sit in a little bit on this one, so it's a little bit more protected, I'd say. You can actually see the burgundy on the phone through that one. Because it's not a Samsung case, it's not quite snug around the cameras, but I'm not bothered about that as long as it looks nice and it's protecting them. That's all that bothers me. So I've got Spigen right there on the side there. I like the feel of that. I think it looks quite swanky, that one. What do you guys reckon? Let's have a look at the ports at the bottom. So we got a bit of a lip for the charger there, which doesn't matter so much. And the pen is actually cut out on the bottom edge there, look. So that means nice, easy, accessible pen. There we go. The covers I've reviewed so far, I think that one is the best one. There we go. What do you reckon? Do you like the look of it? Let me know in the comments if you do. Hit me up. Give us a like if you like this video. Check out my other videos on the other phone cases I've done. Obviously, I've done 3 other Samsungs. This is the one that is the only one that I've got that isn't a Samsung. But believe it or not, I actually think I prefer this one over the Samsungs. Obviously, I bought all these cases myself, didn't get sent them or anything. These were all bought in my own pocket just for me to try out and for your viewing, because whatever I don't like will be going back, and whatever I do like, which I think is going to be this one, I'm definitely going to be keeping. So thanks for joining me tonight, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think. Any questions, just come on through and give me a shout and I'll answer them as best as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.